Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today it seems like it's another memorial. We're losing so many people, and I think with the passing of Suman Kalyanpur on May 31st of this year, it's the end of an era. Suman Kalyanpur was a very quiet presence and yet quite a majestic one. She has sung so many songs, and because her voice was so much like Lata Mangeshkar's, a lot of people don't even realize they're listening to a Suman Kalyanpur song. Marathi industry, of course, benefited hugely from her presence because she almost exclusively moved over to the Marathi film industry after a short while of singing. I want to say by the end of the 60s, she had moved over almost completely to the Marathi film industry. So to start us off today on this memorial episode, it's from her first Hindi movie that she sang for. Sheikh Mukhtar had heard her when she was performing at AIR. He was making a movie called Mangu, and he really liked her voice, and he recommended her to the music director, Muhammad Sheikh, who took her on, and I think they recorded maybe 3 or 4 songs, and due to some kind of dispute, Muhammad Sheikh was replaced by O.P. Nair. So the songs were all changed, but this one beautiful lullaby by Sumanji it really took O.P. Nair also by surprise, and he liked it so much that he wanted to keep it, and the producer agreed. So the song remained in the movie, and the lyrics for the song were written by Sabah Afghani. So the song from Mangu, Koi Tujhe Dheere Se Pukare.
Koi pukare, dheere se tujhe, aankhon ke tare, dil ke sahare. Koi pukare, dheere se tujhe, aankhon ke tare, dil ke sahare. Koi pukare. Zen suhani karke tihaarai, rang birange sapnon ke haalai, sapnon ke haalai. Aaye teri balson ke baare, dil ke sahare. Koi pukare, dheere se tujhe, aankhon ke tare, dil ke sahare.
This duet from Mohabbat Isko Kehte Hain is one of my personal favorites of Sumanji's songs. She has sung this very sweetly and yet kind of mischievously. There's this hint of humor as well, and it pairs very beautifully because Rafi Saab is very passionate in this song because he's mirroring Shashi Kapoor and she's singing for Nanda. The song is just exquisite. It is Khayyam Saab's music with Majroo Saab's lyrics. So from Mohabbat Isko Kehte Hain, ठहरिए होश में आलूं तो चले जाइएगा.
ठहरिए होश में आलूं तो चले जाइएगा, आपको दिल में बिठा लूं तो चले जाइएगा, आपको दिल में बिठा लूं. कब तलक रहिएगा यूं दूर की चाहत बनके, कब तलक रहिएगा यूं दूर की चाहत बनके, दिल में आ जाइए इकरार मोहब्बत बनके, अपनी तकदीर बना लूं तो चले जाइएगा, आपको दिल में बिठा लूं तो चले जाइएगा, आपको दिल में बिठा लूं।
Suman ji has sung for Khayyam Saab for the movie Shagun as well. Sahir Saab's lyrics in this case. And this is a very, very beautiful, sad song, and her voice conveys that deep sadness that Waheeda ji is feeling in the movie because of the sense of betrayal that she's feeling because her husband just, doesn't support her against his mother's insane, superstitious attitude towards her daughter-in-law. So from Shagun, बुझा दिए हैं खुद अपने हाथों मोहब्बतों के दिए जला के।
बुझा दिए हैं खुद अपने हाथों मोहब्बतों के दिए जला के। बुझा दिए हैं खुद अपने हाथों मोहब्बतों के दिए जला के। मेरी वफा ने उजाड़ दी है, मेरी वफा ने उजाड़ दी है, उम्मीद की बस्तियां बसा के। तुझे भुला देंगे अपने दिल से, ये फैसला तो किया है लेकिन। तुझे भुला देंगे अपने दिल से, ये फैसला तो किया है लेकिन। न दिल को मालूम है न हमको, न दिल को मालूम है न हमको, जिएंगे कैसे तुझे भुला के। बुझा दिए हैं खुद अपने हाथों मोहब्बतों के दिए जला के।
Suman ji sang what is arguably her most famous song for S.D. Burman for Baat Ek Raat Ki. This was a tandem song, and I think at one point it's also kind of like a duet, Hemant Kumar and her. So this song, the lead, Waheeda ji, she is in this weird kind of amnesia that's been caused due to shock, and she's uncertain about what is happening, but this song triggers some kind of a feeling in her. She knows that she knows this song. So Suman ji has managed to convey that with her singing, this sort of almost absent-minded way of singing, and yet there is a certain haunting sadness to it. Majroo Saab wrote the lyrics for this song. So from Baat Ek Raat Ki, Na tum hame jano.
हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने,
She also sang for Shankar Jaikishan. As you may have noticed, I'm trying to play her songs for all different major music directors today. So this particular duet from the movie Rajkumar, Shammi Kapoor, Sadhana in the lead, it became absolutely legendary. AIR used to play it all the time. And it's such a fabulous, kind of a passionate, it feels from the vantage point of older age, shall we say, it seems like a silly teenage kind of love song, you know, the whole angst and all of that kind of thing. But it is still a very sweet, sweet song. The lyrics for this were written by Hasrat Saab, and both Rafi and Sumanji have sung it so beautifully. So from Rajkumar, तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए.
तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, दिल हथेली पर ले आए रे. तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, दिल हथेली पर ले आए रे.
तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, जान हथेली पर ले आए रे. तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए.
आओ बैठो हमारे पहलू में पनाह ले लो, मेरी जलती हुई आंखों पे ये आंखें रख दो. ऐ मेरे प्यार के ख्वाबों की हंसी शहजादी, होठ क्यों कांप रहे हैं, जरा कुछ तो बोलो.
तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, जान हथेली पर ले आए रे. तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, जान हथेली पर ले आए रे.
तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए.
She sang a really lovely duet, which is actually not heard that much. And even when I was growing up, it was not played that much on the radio. It was with Geeta Dutt. And this was for a movie called Hum Bhi Insaan Hain. And Hemant Kumar gave the music for this, with Shailendra ji writing the lyrics. And this particular duet, for me, held a lot of appeal because both of their voices are very beautiful individually, and they actually form a very nice foil. You know, it's not like when you hear Lata ji and Asha ji singing, they're very sister voices, and Geeta Dutt and Sumanji don't sound like sisters, but they complement each other very beautifully. So from Hum Bhi Insaan Hai, Phulwa Ban Mehke.
फुलवा बंद महके, देखो लहके दानी दानी. फुलवा फुलवा बंद महके, देखो लहके दानी दानी. फुलवा भंवरा करे फेरे, मुहे घेरे हरियाली. फुलवा बंद महके, देखो लहके डाली डाली. फुलवा चुपके से जाने ये कैसी रुत आई. दर्पण में मुख देखा और मैं शर्माई, और मैं शर्माई. सज के गया बचपन, भई अखियां मतवाली. फुलवा बंद महके, देखो लहके
This female duet from Barsat Ki Raat is another of my favorites of Sumanji's. She is accompanied by Kamal Barot in this. And the music for this movie was by Roshan Saab, with Sahir Saab writing the lyrics. And this song, it's a classical song. It's based on Rag Gaud Malhar, and it plays during the title credits. You can see the scene actually. So it's not as if it's just only the title credits. So there is an actual scene being played out. Shama and Ratna are, basically, it's like their Riyaz song that they're singing together. It is absolutely gorgeous. So from Barsat Ki Raat, Garajat Barasat Savan Ayo Re.
गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे लायो न संग में हमरे बिछड़े बलमुआ सखी पागरू हाय गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन रिम झिम में हाँ बरसे रिम झिम में हाँ बरसे बरसे हाँ रिम झिम में हाँ बरसे तर पे जियरवा मीन समान पर गई फीकी लाल चुनरिया पिया नहीं आए गरजत बरसत सावन आयो रे गरजत बरसत सावन
Any memorial would be incomplete without this iconic solo from Noor Mahal. Jagdeep was in the lead. I think he produced the movie as well. Music was Jani Babu Kawal. And the lyrics, there were actually three lyricists. A. Ghazi, Noor, and Sabah Afghani, who wrote this particular song. It's a ghost song. So Sumanji has sung it. It's like a ghost who wants to meet her lover. So there's a lot of yearning and kind of ghostliness, which I guess maybe the music effect that the music director has provided. But it's an exquisite solo. It's a beautiful song. All of you have heard it. From Noor Mahal, Mere Mehboob Na Ja.
मेरे महबूब न जा आज की रात न जा होने वाली है सहर थोड़ी देर और ठहर मेरे महबूब न जा आज की रात न जा होने वाली है सहर थोड़ी देर और ठहर मेरे महबूब न जा आज की रात न जा इस तरह फेर कर नजर मुझसे दूर जाएगा तू अगर मुझसे चांदनी से भी आग बरसेगी शमा की रोशनी को तरसेगी शमा भी रोशनी को तरसेगी मेरे महबूब न जा आज की रात न जा होने वाली है सहर थोड़ी देर और ठहर मेरे महबूब न जा आज की रात न जा
For my last song for today, I have this sort of peppy duet from the movie Modern Girl, where she is singing with Mukesh ji. And this is for Ravi ji's music direction. Lot of lyricists in the movie. You had Kamar Jalalabadi, you had S.H. Bihari, Rajinder Krishan, and Gulshan Bawra, who wrote this song. On screen, you have Pradeep Kumar and Saida Khan, who both, she is exquisite, and Pradeep Kumar is Pradeep Kumar. It's a very sweet song, again, a very kind of, lilting, a song that you kind of gets your toe tapping kind of a song. So from Modern Girl, ये मौसम रंगीन समा.
ये मौसम रंगीन समा ठहर जरा ओ जाने जा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा प्यार है तो फिर कैसा शर्माना ये मौसम रंगीन समा ठहर जरा ओ जाने जा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा प्यार है तो फिर कैसा शर्माना
रुक तो मैं जाऊं जाने जा मुझको है इनकार कहाँ तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा प्यार सनम ना बन जाए अफसाना.
Today was basically the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Suman ji's songs. I haven't even gone into her Marathi repertoire, which is epic. And she sung for other languages as well. So there's no real, satisfaction in these kinds of episodes, but we'll be back with more. I'm just grateful for the fact that I lived in a time where I could hear her and, got to appreciate an artist as great as her. I hope she rests in peace forever. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.